Hi, I'm Joby Easton with SIGMADESIGN. And ahead of the Food Tech Live event on January 11th, we wanted to go a bit more in depth into Protoduction and talk about the void it fills in product development and specifically in NPI, New Product Introduction. Whether you're fairly new or a seasoned veteran, product development is a journey. One of the bigger challenges is efficiently navigating the gap from prototyping to manufacturing. At SIGMADESIGN, we call this middle phase Protoduction. And for more than 25 years, we've been helping people from concept through production. And the best part, we'll meet you right where you're at. Why is Protoduction valuable? Risk, speed, and flexibility. Number one, risk. Because we are efficiently managing and minimizing risk while helping you establish your minimum viable product, learning early what a product should do is valuable. Learning what it shouldn't do can be priceless. Number two, speed. Virtually every product has a shelf life. Markets move fast and information moves faster. With all the needed disciplines under one roof, we can transparently share every step of the process as your product comes to life at scale. And finally, number three, flexibility. Our approach to Protoduction allows you to engage us wherever you are in your product development cycle. Early on and need us to handle all aspects, we can do that. Just entering engineering, testing, and design validation, we can do that as well. For over 25 years, we've been helping people bridge the gap from prototyping to production. Let's have a conversation.